Hey guys, and welcome to a CSS tutorial part 8. In this tutorial we're going to be learning about text transformation. In this tutorial we're going to be learning about different text capitalization. There are different text capitalizations such as capitalize, uppercase and lowercase. So let's go on to Sublime Text. So here we are on Sublime Text and let's go for the first bit. So here if you go on design CSS, and if we just press enter, press P, then do it like that there, and then here just write text transform. So press so type in text transform right here, and we could go through let's go lowercase. So if we do that, just if we go on that, then if we go on the page, everything should be lowercase right here. So the first bit should be lowercase and etc right here. So that's lowercase. That's the same for uppercase as well. So each word of the each beginning of the word, it'll be an uppercase. So, I'll just show you what I mean. Or yeah, it'll just do everything like that as well. So that's uppercase all here. And then capitalize, yeah, I think it should be so say the L will be capitalized and lorem, and the rest of the word will be lowercase. So you could do that as well. So lowercase, not lowercase, capitalize right here, save, go on that index, then here, yeah, so that's what I meant right here. So yeah, so that's a lot more outstanding as well. So if we could also make this so then it is a class as well. So if we just get rid of that, then let's put h1 back again, then here, yeah, just save that, and then here if we just go on style, so make another style tag, or just delete this bit that we've done from previous tutorials. So just go do that, and then obviously just get rid of that as well. Then here all you have to do is just press enter, then write P dot, and let's say we're gonna do uppercase, so we just uppercase everything. So the two brackets, then text, then text transform, then here we can write uppercase. Alright, here. So this is then it's for specific for a specific paragraph or text right here. So if you just write class, then write uppercase right here, upper, yeah. So select it from the drop down, makes stuff easier, and then here go on CSS, and then here go on that, then it'll just do the uppercase for just one paragraph right here. You could do the other ones as well. So we could do another one here, I think. So P dot lowercase, do the two brackets, then in here do text transform, then do lower case right there, and then here if you just yeah, so if you just go do that, go in here, then it should be oh no, we haven't put anything for it. So if you just go on P, so just get rid of that as well. So P class, then write here lowercase, so lowercase right here. So if you just save that, then obviously just refresh, then it will do, yeah, so lowercase right here. So yeah, and then the rest it should be, and oh yeah, so it's only for the beginning of the sentence, so we could do uppercase as well. So classes are really easy, they're really helpful as well for if you want to do something specific. So let's do capitalize, I'm not sure how you spell it, but I'll just spell it like that, and text, then transform, then capitalize, and then save that. And then we could also just go in here, then write class here, then write capitalize, or I'll just select from the drop down right here, just save that, then hopefully it'll work. So oh yeah, right here. So yeah, so you could still see it even though it's like a specific border around it. So yeah, so you could also do like many other tags within classes as well, which is really helpful as well for if you want to do it for specific paragraphs. So that's what I've done for the same thing. So if you want your whole website to be like, say for example, like capitalized or uppercase, just go on CSS, go on the P tag, and then do that, then do text, right, text transform, then right, capitalize. So yeah, so if you just save that, then if you go on the website, it will be all capitalized. So so this tutorial we went through the capitalized, lowercase and uppercase right there, and then we went through, so then you could put the different text into a class as well. So let's go on to the CSS questions. So here are the CSS questions, and let's go for the first one. So here, so here number 1, name all text transformation we have learned in this tutorial. So I'll give you a few seconds for that. So hopefully you've answered all those questions. Yeah, they're really easy, and yeah, so just answers all of them right here, capitalize, uppercase, and lowercase. So that was really straightforward. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more tutorials like these in the future. Thank you.